Hi dear students, welcome to Keep Learning. Today we are going to start the chapter Squares and Square Roots, and as you have seen in the thumbnail, I'm going to teach you how you can find the square root within seconds. But before we do that, we need to learn what do we mean by squares and square roots. So let's start. So now let's talk about squares. What do we mean by squares? When a number is multiplied with itself, we get a square number. Now let's take an example. Suppose when 6 multiplied by 6, we get 36. So 36 is a square number. Now let's talk about square roots. Okay. Now let's talk about square roots. Suppose we have 81 and how we can find the square root value of it. Okay, so let's do the prime factorization. 3 2 is 6, 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3. Now in order to find the value, that is square root of 81, we have square root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. For a pair, we are going to take one digit, 3 into 3, so 9. So the square root of 81 is 9. This is the basic understanding of square and square roots. Now let's talk about the trick, how we can find out any square root within seconds. Suppose we have to find out the square root of 729. So let's talk about the conventional method first, or the traditional method. So how we can do this? 3, 2, 4, 3, again 3, 81, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. Okay, so for this 2, 3, this 2, 3, and this 2, 3, you multiply them, you get 27. So finally 729, I mean square root of 729, it is 27. This is the traditional method. Now let's talk about how we can do it in seconds. Let's talk about 729. First, we need to take this unit digit into consideration. Which number has a square value of 9 in its unit digit? 3, because 3 square is 9, or 7, right? Because 7 square is 49, so unit digit is 9 matched. So when we get the answer, the unit digit of that answer is going to be either 3 or 7. Okay, now when you have a clear idea about the unit digit, we have to cut 2 digits from your right hand side. Okay, so let's talk about 7. We have to take the square value which is less than 7. Like if I do 2 square, we get 4. If I do 3 square, we get 9. See, 9 is more than 7, so we are not going to take 3, we are going to take 2. So 2. So the value is going to be either 23 or 27. Now how to identify 23 or 27? So in between 23 and 27, we have a number which is 25. Okay, let's make the square 25 square. How much will you get if you make 25 square? Let's see. Now you have to make a faster calculation in order to do this. 25 into 25. How we can do it? Just simply write it. 5 5s are 25, cut it, and 2 plus 1, 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, like that we are going to do the multiplication. Like if we have 35 into 35, how we are going to do this? 5 into 5, 25, and we have to add 1. That means this 3 becomes 4, and 4 into 3, 12. Okay, so if 25 square is 625 and 729 is more than 625, that means 23 is not going to be your answer. Your answer is going to be 27. So square root of 729, we have 27. Okay, I hope okay, 729, you get 27. Let's take another example. Okay guys, this is the first time, so it may feel a bit difficult for you to calculate, but it is very easy guys, it is very easy. Let's take another example. Now we need to find out the square root of 1296. How can you do that? First, let's talk about the unit digit. 6, that means 4 square, 16, so 6, or 6 square, 36, 6 unit digit matched. So the answer's unit digit will be either 4 or 6. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, we have to cut this. Now 12, any square number which is less than 12. Like if I do 3 square, we get 9. If I do 4 square, it becomes 16, right? So 16 is more than 12, so we are not going to take 4, we are going to take 3. Now the number is going to be either 34 or 36. Now which one to take? Now in between 34 and 36 we have a number which is 35. Let's see what is 35 square. 35 into 35, 5 5s are 25, 4, 3 plus 1, we have to add 1 to this number which is 4, and 4 into 3, it's 12. See, 1225 is the square of 35, and 1296 is more than this. When this number is more than this, then we cannot take 34, because 34 square is going to be less than 1225, so we have to take 36. So the square root of 1296 is going to be 36. I hope it is getting easy gradually. Okay, no problem. Let's take another example. Suppose we need to find out the square root of 1764. Okay, look at the unit digit. That means 2 square is 4 and 8 square 64. That means the unit digit matched. So first you need to take the unit digit into consideration. So our unit digit, I mean the answer's unit digit, is going to be either 2 or 8. So when you have the idea about unit digit, we have to cut these two numbers, right? Now let's talk about 17. 4 square, 16, 5 square, 25. So 25 is more than 17, so we cannot take 5. So 4 is the another digit. That means our answer is going to be either 42 or it can be 48. So which one to take? So in between 42 and 48 we have 45. So we have to make 45 square. That means 45 into 45. Same process again. 5 5s are 25. Cut it. 4 plus 1, it becomes 5. 5 into 4, it becomes 20. That means 45 square, see here, 45 square is 2025, right? That means if I make 48 square, it will become more than 2025, but we have less than 2025, which is 1764, right? That means our answer is going to be 42. So square root of 1764 is 42, right? I hope you are understanding. Let's take another example. Now let's find out the square root of 3969. So as you can see, we have 9 in the unit digit, so only one number. No, there are two numbers which has 9 in its unit digit. The first one is 3, 3 square is 9, and 7 square, which is 49, right? So our unit digit is going to be 3, either 3 or 7. So 3 or 7, let's cut this. 39, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square how much, 36, 7 square 49. So we are not going to take 7, so we're going to take 6, because 6 square 36, which is less than 39, and we have to take any square value which is less than this one, so 6. So our answer is going to be either 63 or 67, right? So in between them again we have 65. Now you have to make 65 square in order to make sure which number we are going to take. So 65 into 65, again 5 5s are 25, 6 plus 1 it becomes 7, and 7 into 6 42. So we have 4225, and when this number is less than 65 square, that means 67 square is going to be more than this, so we cannot take 67. That means our answer is going to be 63. So 39 square root of 3969, we have 63. Okay, I think it's very much clear now. I hope you are understanding and you have understood. And in my next, on my next video, we are going to talk about any 5-digit number. Today you learn up to 4-digit numbers. In my next video, we're going to learn 5-digit number, how to find out the square root of 5-digit number within seconds. Okay, I think I have made it clear, guys. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video, and I'm keeping this short because this is just a learning video, or just a video of tricks how we can find out any number with how we can find out any square root within seconds. And in my next video we are going to do how to find out square roots of 5-digit number in seconds, and we're going to start the problems from the exercise. So this is it, guys. Have fun and keep learning. See you in my next video.